So, Jez, Arsenal's worst run in FA Cup history. Yes, you heard correctly, guys. Arsenal's worst run in FA Cup history, the oldest club competition in world football. This manager has absolutely broken another record that he didn't want. The starting 11 was a bit off key, I can't lie. Yeah, we've got Thomas Partey and Declan Rice on the bench. Cool. Declan Rice is injured, so why did you play him the last two games then, not today? Yeah. Then you put Partey on and put him at right back. Jorginho only went off because he felt cramp or injury. Timber looks like he's done a hamstring. Jesus looks like he's done another ACL. And the German giraffe up front nicking $3.5 grand for that game alone. That's without the rest of his wages for the rest of the day. Missing sitter after sitter. Trossard did nothing when he came on. The centre-back pairing looks all over the gaff tonight. And yeah, the goalkeeper doing up his best impression of Bugs Bunny in goal. Yeah, bobbing around. Yo, just put it down there, mate. I'll bounce this way. Bounce. I'll bounce this way. Put it down there. Absolutely disgusting. We lost to Newcastle. We've lost to United. Sub to Arsenal history and more. We have a world-class panel coming up, which Jess is going to be part of, for an emergency meeting after this and Matty's fan cam. We're live. F this football club, Jez. I'm sick of it. No booze at full time, by the way, before the extra time. They should have been booing that. We got extremely lucky, Jez. Yeah, that was never a second yellow for me. I don't think he even touched him. I need to see it again. But I don't think Delo even touched him. Then off of the back of that, we scored straight off of that free kick, not directly. Gabriel. Oh, shocker, centre-back scored. Not only that, the penalty was never a penalty. Yeah, their goal was quality, by the way. Right? And 3 or 4 of their yellow cards in that game should never have been yellow cards. I don't want to hear no chat about refs ever again. When it goes to pens, that guy's worse than Petr Cech. Talk to me, Jez.
Mate, look, you know me, I'm never critical of referees, right? Been there, seen it and done it. That man got that so badly wrong today. That was never a yellow-red. Never. Sorry, you only got to look at the replay of that. So I saw it the first time. I thought, yeah, okay, he's jumped over him, over Delot. And I'm thinking, what are you doing? Yellow, red, what? Look at the replay again, and the referee's right there. Shocking, shocking. Never a penalty. Shocking. Yeah, it was a mad show today. Absolute mad show. I don't know what the referee was on, but hey, that's for debate for another day. But our worst ever run of any manager in Arsenal's history of the FA Cup since the format changed in 1930. Forget before 1930 because it was a totally different format. Shocking. Another record. Well done, Arteta. You've done another one. Yeah? Third, fourth, whatever the fuck it is. Yeah? Shocking. At least in the past history under Wenger, yeah, under Terry Neal, under George Graham, we used to get to the 5th round and the quarter-final and then get booted out. Yeah, this manager, since he supposedly, I say supposedly, won the FA Cup, you haven't got past the 4th round, you clown.
Two wins in 5 seasons of FA Cup. 2 wins. One was Oxford. Who was the other one? I don't even know who the other one was. He beat Oxford. Yeah, he beat somebody. I don't even know who the other one was, Jez. 5 years of the FA Cup.
I can't remember.
I genuinely don't know either. Yeah, who cares who it was? Yeah, 2 wins in 5 years in the FA Cup since he won it. And we're hanging on to this man. No booze at full time. You got people arguing after the game. Oh, Arteta, he's doing a good. Oh, it's not his fault. Oh, we got injured. Shut up. DJB's going to come on. He's going to spit some facts, mate. He was at that game. Yeah, the only surprise is he stayed. Yeah, that was an absolute disgrace, mate. Yeah, Man United. Yeah, in fact, you know what? I'll say one thing, yeah? Fair play to Man United. Yeah, fair play to Harry Maguire, by the way, because I did not rate that guy one single bit. He was the best outfield player on the pitch today. Yeah, he was heading and mopping up everything. That was never a penalty. If that was the other way around, they'd be crying about, oh, robbed Arsenal. Yeah, if that was a second yellow, the other way around, robbed. We were not robbed. The only thing we've been robbed of, Jez, is 5 years of our lives, mate, with a shit manager and 700 million of our club's money gone.
Lee, before Barb's went to work, I said to her, do you know, she said, oh, how's it gone? I said, we're out the FA Cup again. She knows how much it means to me.
Yeah.
And she didn't really want to talk at all because she knew I was pissed off. And I said, it's like a bad relationship, this now with the club. It's like you hate the club that much now, but you can't leave them.
Yeah.
That's the way I feel. I am that. I've never in my life felt this way about this football club ever. I've seen some shit, right? But this manager is the worst manager ever I've ever seen. Terry Neal was bad, but
how many finals did he get us to?
3.
Yeah, how many's this guy got us to?
None.
One.
Well, no, he didn't.
With his own team, 0. With a team he inherited, cool, fair enough. He still won it. Yeah, I'll give him props for that. He won it. Yeah, but this is why when people sit there, Jez, and say, "Oh, well, who could do better?" Oh, it takes time. Danny Ceballos is coming on in the final, by the way.
How much time does it take?
It takes time. Well, he's proved it didn't take time because he won it with a club that he inherited, a team he inherited, and won it against Man City and Chelsea. So it don't take time, does it?
If this man, and I call him a man lightly, has got any respect for himself, esteem, he would fuck off tomorrow morning. He would say, I'm done. I can't do any more. I've done my best. Because you have created, and I said this the other night, right? Your fault, Arteta. You've created what was your one-man team.
Yep.
Saka. Saka's gone, and you're now absolutely fucked. Because you don't know what to do. You don't know where to go. You don't know where to turn. You look at your management behind you, and they're looking at you going like, well, you fucking done this, you prick.
Mate, when he brought Tierney on, sorry to cut in here. When he brought Tierney on, right, first thing Tierney did was take a quick free kick in our own half.
Yes.
Yeah, put the ball down, boom, go. The very next thing he did, 30 seconds later, was whipping the best cross of the game. Where was our striker?
We haven't got one.
Exactly. Thank you. Now, guess what? For the rest of the game, we're playing it out to Partey, Odegaard on the right. Then it's like, bro, then the ball comes out to Trossard. Trossard didn't even know Tierney was there. Comes out to, and he whips the. It's like, bro, give the ball to the best player on the pitch who can cross it in terms of crossing ability, Tierney. No, get all your players in the box. We might have nicked it. No, Jez, I knew after 15, 20 minutes of that game. Yeah, I even predicted a loss. However,
I did. I predicted a loss.
However, there's a way to lose, Jez. There's a way to lose, and we, especially you as well, living locally, like right opposite the stadium back in the day, yeah, opposite Highbury and that, and being to multiple cup finals, yeah. There's a way to lose, and this FA Cup, yeah. My mum don't even like football really, but when we were growing up, FA Cup final, that's a big day. Yeah, Pele even said it's the best club tournament in the world.
Yeah,
like all these ex-players that like are fallen soldiers, right? Blessed to them. This is the FA Cup, Chairs, and look at the way he dismisses it. We're walking out in white, and Man U were in blue. What the fuck has gone on with this cup?
Oh no! You got that wrong, Lee. It's going to stop all the knife crime, right? It's going to stop it because if you wear a white shirt, hello, you can't get fucking stabbed.
And Gary Lineker's sitting there at half time saying they need killers. Last year it was Ian Wright sitting there tweeting they need killer. Yeah, hold up, wait a minute. This whole thing is a scam and a tax write-off. Stop paying money to this football club. It is a disgrace. Yeah, and Jez, we got Tottenham next. I actually think they'll beat us. Then after that, guess what? Next weekend, yeah, we got Aston Villa.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, what happened last year? Oh, yeah, they beat us.
Lee, let's look at this. Just one thing, right? Jesus.
Oh, what? Oh shit! That should have been a goal. That should have been.
Jesus is now injured. I don't rate him, but he's now injured.
He's out for the season.
He's gone for the rest of the season. So what are we going to do here now, boys? I can see Arteta, the prick that he is, panicking. Panic buy. It'll be a panic buy.
Rashford.
Yes.
Told everyone, Jez, he's getting Rashford, mate.
Panic.
What did Sterling do when he came on?
He's lost. He doesn't know what to do, and he will panic. And I don't blame the people behind the scenes getting out of it pretty damn quick. because they
was
don't
a
want
goal.
to go
Barcelona
down.
slapping Real Madrid 5-1, by the way. Fucking hell, in the
They
final,
don't want
you
to
know.
go down as in a sinking ship, right? With like that's why Edu fucked off. He's made his statement about it. Fair play to you. Get out. But at the end of the day, man, this is all on Arteta, right? And the ship is turning. I'll tell you right now. I was watching your last hour of your watch along. 11,000 people watching. Records being broken again. Yeah. At the end of the day, mate, it's coming on pretty damn quick. I agree with you though. Where were the fans? The big fan base, right? Where were they having a pop? Another question. I'll go on about it. It's all fucking night, right? Yeah. Start of that game. Yeah. Start third round, the FA Cup, third round. And fans hadn't taken their seats till 5 minutes in.
Yep.
What are you doing here?
Shambles.
You are
Listen,
not Arsenal fans.
facts. Jezza, shout your channel out, mate. Yeah, we'll go live on the emergency meeting. Barcelona 5, Real Madrid 1, Barcelona 5, 48 minutes gone in the final. Fucking hell. Sack Ancelotti, sack Arteta, and get Don Carlito to our football club. Yeah, that's an embarrassment, by the way. But either way, yeah, guess what? If that goes 6 or 7, he probably will get fucking sacked. What are we doing? Nothing. But just shout your channel out, mate, and we're going to go live on the emergency meeting in 15 minutes.
Yeah, send us the link, mate. Whatever. Yeah, Arsenal history and more. Yeah, I'm pissed off with this club, man. It's become a bad taste in my mouth, and it's become a bad relationship. And never thought I'd ever say that in my life, but that's the way it's gone.
Facts. Listen, make sure you sub to Arsenal history and more. Link be in the title. Matty next. Check out Kenny. He's Steven. And yeah, we're going live. Star-studded panel, world-class emergency meeting coming up with a lot of us as well. We're out. Cronky out. Arteta out. Dog out.
Right,
yeah. The set piece coach can fuck off as well. Bosh.